I'd like to show you how to quickly assess your environment looking at the perimeter or untrusted to trusted networks to identify holes in the perimeter that would allow SMB traffic, TCP UDP 445. Using the RedSeal topology and having all of our configs refreshed, we'll use the Explorer function, use untrusted to trusted, TCP UDP to 445, and run an access query. And here we do see that there is access through our perimeter from an untrusted network, a business partner network, to a server subnet. And if we want to look at that, we can click on the blue line, look and execute a detailed path to show us what that connectivity looks like. And here we do see that our branch firewall is allowing SMB traffic from that network to an internal subnet. All right, well, let's look at is there any risk associated with that connection? Are there vulnerabilities listening on 445? So we pivot our question, we choose threats, and we do see that there are vulnerabilities that are listening there, and there are a fair number of vulnerabilities that are listed. So if we wanted to, we could then pivot our question and look to see for the vulnerabilities what our downstream risk is. Now RedSeal will show you here with a risk metric of downstream risk of 12,446. That shows that we do have pivotable vulnerabilities here, and we can explore access from there. And note that an attacker coming in off of this link, compromising a system here, would have a lot of access just on TCP 445, TCP UDP 445 across the infrastructure. And based on our vulnerability information that we have risk associated with these subnets for listening hosts on 445. Another thing to consider is to look at the RedSeal model issues. And one of those areas is making sure that we have scan data for all of the subnets in our model, and we actually do not. So it's very, very important for us to pass off to our scan teams the IP address ranges cited here, so we can ensure that we have scan data to properly provide an assessment of the risk posed by the current WannaCry and Eternal Blue threats. I hope you find this helpful.